Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn basics about gradient descent algorithm. I will just speak about the intuition, what's the idea behind developing this algorithm. I am not going to give you any equations in this particular video. I'll deal with the equations and how do we approach the gradient descent algorithm in my next video. Okay, so let's start. So let us assume you are standing on top of a hill. Okay, so let me quickly draw kind of a hill structure here. Okay, so this is your hill. Okay, and you are standing on top of this particular hill. Okay, now this is the ground level. Okay, and you are standing right here on top of the hill. Now you want to reach to the ground level by moving in some direction. Okay, so our goal is reach to the ground level. Okay, starting position is top of the hill. You want to move in some direction. Along that direction, you will have to take some steps in order to reach your goal. Okay, so goal is to reach the ground level, but how do you accomplish it? You accomplish it by moving in some direction, right? Moving in some direction. Okay, so in another words, you take some steps in one particular direction. Okay, so this is how you will be able to reach your goal. Okay, so whatever steps you take, each step that you take each step you take will make you near to your goal. Okay, so you have to take some steps in some direction in such a way that each step that you take will make you near to your goal. Our goal here is to reach to the ground level. Okay, so how you can do that? So let us assume you are standing on top of a hill and you are able to see the ground, but you are not sure how you can reach the ground. Okay, so you cannot jump for sure. So what you do, you will look around your surroundings, look around the hill area, and then let's say you decide to move in this particular direction. Take some small steps. Okay, one by one small steps, and then finally you reach your goal, which is on the ground level. So these small steps, okay, these small steps will ensure that you will reach your goal without going in any other particular direction or to any other area which is far from the goal. This is just a 2D representation, but you can think of it as a 3D hill, wherein moving in some direction may take you to some another higher level instead of bringing you to the aim, that is your goal, to the ground level. So in order to reach that ground level, you will just look around and decide to go in one particular direction, but take cautious small steps. Okay, so this is how gradient descent works method in general. Okay, not in mathematical way, in general this is how gradient descent works. So these small steps can be controlled with the help of something called as learning rate. Learning rate. Okay, this is denoted as alpha. So if you can remember from my previous videos wherein I have mentioned about all the notations that we use, so alpha stands for learning rate. So this is very important factor in deciding you to reach to your goal. Okay, so this should not be too small. Okay, not be too large. Okay, you should not take large steps, or you cannot take very small steps, so that you will never end up reaching the goal that you want to. So this particular parameter should have some just right amount of value in it, so that reaching the goal will be easier for you guys. Okay, so this is about the intuition with respect to gradient descent. In my next videos, I will talk about the mathematical way that we can approach the gradient descent algorithm with some of the equations, and I will also link it to the linear regression, how we can make use of gradient descent to find out the optimum values for parameters, learnable parameters, that is theta 0 and theta 1. Okay, so that's it for this video. It's a short video, but hope you got the gist behind the gradient descent algorithm. Okay, so if you got any questions, just post it in comment section. I will try to get back to you with the answers. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thanks.